Since 30 years, the first cause of premature death in France is cancer. In fact, in 2017, 150,000 people found death because of cancers. Today, 1 person on 4 will have a cancer in his life, and this number doesn't stop increasing because of the demographic growth. Many techniques exist today to destroy tumors, but the best is the chemotherapy, a therapy that uses different medicine. Thanks to the hard work of our scientists and the Los Angeles team, our company can present to you today, on the 44th May 2050, our cure to cancers, nanorobots factory.
Oh my god!
First, it is interesting to see how humans can create robots as small as a cell and how this robot can function. The key to create extremely little robots is to find a modelable material at a nanoscopic size. In nanotechnology, we use different materials as silicon or carbon-made nanotube. The advantages of silicon's nanotube are that they are at nanosomic size and that they can be easily associated with organic elements. There are 2 possible ways to build nanobots. The first is the top-down and the second is the bottom-up. To create our nanorobots, we use the technique of the top-down to reduce duration and cost of the robot creation process. Our new model of nanorobots is very innovative because we won't simply eject nanorobots, but a nanorobot factory called the station. The point is to react faster than anyone to the problem. Indeed, the station will be the heart of the system. It will deliver the nanorobots, and when the patient is ill, it will ruffle the robots in medicine. Then, it will also lock the defective nanorobots to reduce risks.
For our project, we have imagined a mix between carbon and silicon nanotube. Silicon tube will be used as the frame of the nanorobots, whereas carbon tube will compose the rigid part of the nanorobots as needed for medicines injection or attached to make the robots move together. In order to power our robot, and thanks to the work of Los Angeles University researchers and our scientists, we have imagined a concept that uses the degradation of an iron polymer with a gold plate to create electricity. Then this energy will be used to power a piezoelectric element which will operate a pre-twisted beam coupling structure linked to a sphere, make the robot move by making 3 flagella moving.
Moreover, all nanorobots will be equipped with a carbon-made needle connected to a medicine tank. When this tank is empty, the nanorobot stops working and is carried by the natural blood circulation to the station where the different nanorobots are sorted and refilled with other medicine.
To target as well as possible the sick cells, our robots are equipped with 2 systems.
The first one is a kind of compass, created by the synthesis of nanoparticle chains that allow them to move in the direction of magnetic fields. The second is a sensor of oxygen concentration that allow them to reach and remain the active area of the tumor.
We have now a model of nanorobots, but our robots are innovative because they work and operate together like a swarm. All the robots are coordinated by the main station, this one, in the body of the patient. It's at this place that different nanorobots can be assembled together to answer to any problem.
As you see, nanorobots are predestined to serve in the medical field, but how do they can act in our body? First of all, they can treat different sickness that needs medicine. The advantage of nanorobots is that the place where the medicine is applied is targeted. Thanks to the oxygen detection system of the robots, nanorobots will be able to target hypoxic areas and destroy the tumor. This technique is particularly useful to brain cancer or other cancer located on vital place and where surgical operation is a risk for the life of the patient.
This robot could be also used in patients with decreased blood flow due to the formation of fat and viscous substance that block the circulation of blood in the arteries. The robot, this time equipped with a tip, could be used to treat blood clots. Indeed, by perceiving the accumulation of red blood clots, the robot could reopen blood passage in the capillary veins to allow blood to circulate.
To sum up, nanorobots have a lot of function in the medical field. They can cure cancer, treat illness, clot and clean arteries. But they have also other functions, and one of our new prototype can increase the strength of muscle by getting attached to each other and creating a chain that can tighten or loosen. But this application is optional. Nanorobot future is promising. They will save life of 1,000 people in the world. And it's really important. We must invest, you must invest in this technology if we want to protect even more humans.